Joined now by Josh Sommer of the Chordoma Foundation, recently named to Forbes 30 Under 30 list. Josh, how are you?
Doing great, thank you.
Congratulations so much on being named to Forbes' list. Tell me a little bit about the Chordoma Foundation.
Yeah, absolutely. So chordoma is a very rare type of bone cancer. It occurs in the head and along the spine. I was actually diagnosed with it about 7 years ago, and at the time the average survival was about 7 years. There were very few researchers studying it, no approved drugs, and a cure rate of about 30%. So really didn't want to accept those statistics and tried to learn everything I could about the disease. It turns out actually that the only NIH-funded chordoma researcher in the entire country happened to be an oncologist at Duke, where I was studying at the time. And I ended up joining his lab and making some progress there, but it really became clear that this one lab was not going to solve the problem, and that if we really wanted to have a chance of curing chordoma in my lifetime, that it was going to require a much larger coordinated effort, bringing lots of researchers into the fold, bringing the expertise of companies to bear on the problem. And so that led me to start the Chordoma Foundation in 2007. We really systematically try to advance the development of treatments by creating the conditions needed for chordoma research to flourish, and then proactively initiating and facilitating research to develop therapies.
And what are you looking to achieve here at Bio International Convention?
Yeah, well, I'd say if I had one goal in particular, it would be to find companies or individuals who have thoughts about how to go after transcription factors. And specifically, there's a gene called brachyury that appears to play a very important role in the pathogenesis of chordoma, but also plays an important role in the epithelial to mesenchymal transition of a number of other types of cancer: breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer. So we think that it's a very promising target for chordoma and for these other cancers as well. But given that it's a transcription factor, we've heard that there's a lot of reluctance to take a look at this gene. I think that there might be a number of different approaches that could be pursued, and I'm interested in meeting others who might be able to help in that regard.
Josh, thank you so much. Congratulations again, and good luck in your research.
Thanks, Oliver.